You say the verb.
Attachment.
The verb stands for attachment, but why?
Actually, birds, regularly mating each other.
Oh, they get together always.
Yeah, and then they are producing their offspring.
Producing. Oh.
Offspring means child.
A lot of kids.
Child.
Oh, okay,
So
I
that's
see.
why the pigeon, pigeon means attachment.
Oh, okay. Okay.
You want to translate her?
哦，彩涵，知道刚刚 Gena 的意思吗？
不知道这。
我问 Gena，
不
对，我问 Gena 说为什么那个小鸟代表情值，因为 attachment 是情值。然后 Gena 说，因为呢，他们常常鸟儿都在一起，而且他们会一直生小孩。OK，
I know.
And you know.
Okay, now let's start for today. Okay, now I will discuss about the 4 noble truths.
Denpa Shi. Gena 涵 these two spelling. Okay.
How that again.
涵你跟着念啊。
有。
How that again. Pa, Denpa, how shaki shi.
shi.
Denpa shi.
Denpa shi.
How that again. How shaki shi.
包虾吉古细细是四 four.
Yes.
Denpa shi.
Yeah. Denpa means truth.
Truth.
Yeah. Denpa means truth.
Truth.
She means 4.
4.
Yeah. 4 noble truths.
But noble.
Denpa shi.
Denpa shi.
Yeah, actually, it is like this. If we write Tibetan properly, okay.
Denpa shi. Denpa shi.
Denpa shi.
Denpa shi.
What happened here? Denpa shi. Okay. That is the full form. That is the full form.
Denpa shi. Alpaca. Pa.
Pa akikupe.
Pa akikupe. Pa pe denpa shi.
Denpa shi.
Pa pe denpa shi.
Pa means noble. Okay.
Okay.
Denpa means
truth.
And she means
4.
4, yeah.
4.
So 4 noble truths. Okay. 4 noble truths.
truth 点帕
Okay.
帕贝帕贝点巴西
Then Bashi. I will read again.
OK
How Kasa Park Aki Pe How Pe How Dadena Then Pa Then Pa How Shaki Shi
How
How Pe Then Pa Shi How Kasa Park Aki Pe How Dadena Then Pa How Shaki Shi How Pe Then Pa Shi
帕贝点巴西
How Pa Kasa Park Aki Pe Park Pe
卡
How
贝
Dadena
帕
Then
点
Pa Then Pa How Shaki Shi How Pe Then Pa Shi How Pa Kasa Park Aki Pe Park Pe
帕贝
How Dadena Then Pa
点巴
Then Pa
巴
How Shaki Shi
西保下
How
给
Pe
西
Then
帕贝
Pa
点
Shi
巴西帕贝点
Okay.
巴西
Papa means noble.
Number
Denpa means truth.
4.
Shi means four.
4
Four noble truths.
Number truth.
Okay.
OK
OK，还是很难。
This one. Denpa Shi.
点巴西
Denpa Shi.
帕
Whatever
贝点
you,
巴西
whatever you want to say, you can say it.
涵涵你讲一遍
什么？帕贝
帕贝
点巴西。
Good?
good good
Okay.
其实我还是不会拼音，是不是太
Now,
difficult？
difficult
now we have four noble truths. Yeah. The first one is Dungel Denpa. Truth of suffering.
suffering
Oh. Sadada Dashanti Dukha Duk.
du sa
Oh, Sangatangala Ngel. Dungel.
du nian
Dungel means suffering.
suffering
嗯
涵涵知道 suffering 的意思吗？
不知
受
道。
苦受苦受苦
受
苦苦受苦
对啊
Dungel Denpa.
今天点吧
Okay. Sadada Dashanti Dukha Duk.
三
Oh,
哒哒哒
Sangatangala Ngel.
年
Dungel.
du nian
Sadada Dashanti Dukha Duk. Oh, Sangatangala Ngel. Ngel.
du nian
Ngel.
du nian
Denpa.
点吧du nian 点
Ngel
吧
Denpa.
du nian 点吧
Suffering.
truth of suffering du nian
点吧。5年。
给那的
Denpa.
Then the second one is nian
Ngel.
nian
Ala ngel.
na la nian nian
Oh,
na la nian
Sangatangala Ngel.
nian nian nian
Ngel.
nian
Du ngel.
du nian du nian
Du ngel.
du nian
Du ngel.
du nian
Denpa.
点吧du nian 点吧
Ngel Denpa.
du
Okay.
nian 点吧du nian 点吧
Okay.
苦涵涵这个是苦集灭道的苦
Okay.
前面
Then,
吗？
对苦
yeah. This is the first noble truth. Dungel Denpa.
du nian 点吧
Okay.
OK
Now, second is Kunjung Denpa. Jashantu Kuna Kun.
Kun
Oh, Payata Jashantu Chuna Chung.
中点吧，咕中点吧，
Kunjung Denpa.
咕中卡小猪咕那滚
No,
滚
ka.
嘎，
Jashantu Kuna Kun.
ca sập
Ấu
chục
baya ta cha sam ju chu nga chu.
chung
Kun chu. Ca sam ju
chung
nga kun. Ấu baya ta cha sam ju
cha
chu
chung
nga
chung
chu.
kun
Kun
chung
chu
đẹp
den pa.
kun chung
Chu den pa.
kun chung đẹp ba.
Okay. The truth of the origin of suffering.
Origin 是啥？
What's last mean? Let me check.
Huh?
We don't know what orange stand for.
Oh, okay. Origin means, the cause of suffering.
Cause
I will give you example. Okay.
The beginning of suffering.
Yeah.
Beginning.
Yes. If like your parents come from China, then we
My
say
father,
my
my
parents
father.
original from China.
Oh, original from
Origin.
suffering. Oh,
Yeah.
the original from suffering.
Yeah, origin means where it comes from.
Oh, where it come from? So that means where suffering come from. Oh, OK， 涵涵听懂了吗？
yes，
就是苦怎么来的 ？OK OK。
Now third truth is Gokpe Demba.
狗杯点吧。
All Benara Gok Pa Ki Gokpe Gokpe
狗杯
Demba.
点吧。
All Ganaro Gok Pa Ki Gokpe Gokpe
狗杯
Demba.
点吧，狗杯点吧。
Yeah.
狗杯点
Gokpe
吧，狗杯点吧。
Truth of cessation.
It's to stop.
Yeah.
Stop. OK， 就是灭。
Cessation means stop. What stop?
Stop.
Stop if you stop the suffering.
OK，
Okay.
闪涵就是苦集灭道的灭。
Yeah, cease means stop.
Stop.
Today, ceasefire between America and Iran. Cease means
Stop.
like, stop. Cease.
Stop.
Cessation means you are stopping the suffering.
Stopping the suffering. OK.
Yeah, if you want to stop the suffering, you have to stop this.
OK.
Where it comes from.
OK.
Okay, suffering comes from this one, origin of suffering.
OK.
So if you remove this, then you
don't have.
Yeah,
you won't have
you
suffering.
You can see this truth of cessation.
OK OK。 涵涵，我要翻译吗？
可以，但我应该听得懂差不多。
你 OK 吗？好。
Okay.
OK。
Then last, Lam Ki Dempa.
Lam means pace.
Path.
Way. Lama.
Kaya da chaki gu ki. Lam ki Dempa.
Lam ki dempa.
Lam. Kaya da chaki gu ki. Lam ki Dempa.
Lam ki dempa.
Lama lam.
Lama.
Kaya da chaki gu ki. Lam ki
Lam ki dempa.
Okay. Lama lam. Kaya da chaki gu ki. Lam ki dempa.
Lam ki dempa. True of faith. 普及灭道。
Truth of path.
好。 Lama lam. Lam is the same with the way, the road. The road.
Lam means road.
Road.
Path. Way.
Way. OK.
道.
Yeah.
This is
道
the
它是道路。
pathway to cessation.
is means the shut up 智慧 not shut up 跟他不知道我在讲什么the wisdom to
So,
stop
I
suffering
will explain all of them.
okay
Okay, first you just understand what are these four. Okay, then I will explain all of them one by one.
okay
Don't worry.
in Chinese we say 苦集灭道
Oh, okay. Four noble truths.
yeah 苦 the first one suffering is 苦集
Oh,
灭道
灭
灭道对
Okay. Okay, now I will discuss about this one first. Okay, so let's go to the another slide. Kunjung Dempa. Okay. Tell her that I will discuss about the Kunjung Dempa.
君中点吧君中点吧君中点吧
Okay.
okay
Okay. Now here Kunjung Dempa.
君中点吧
Okay. Now Kunjung Dempa has two aspects. Okay. The first one is Leki Kunjung.
Lenki 君中
Lasa means karma.
拉萨类
Yeah, Leki Kunjung.
君中 can I you say lei is
Karma.
karma okay Leki 君
Le
中
means karma.
Karma.
Leki Kunjung.
Leki
Lasa le. Kaya ki buki. Leki Kunjung.
君中 Leki 君中
Leki Kunjung
君中
means karma.
karma
Law of karma.
okay
他
还那个是业力
Okay.
okay
Then another one. Nyo mo pe kunjung.
牛毛白君中
Yanaro nyo na nyun.
娘那罗牛那牛
Manaro mong asa mong.
巴那罗摩牙萨蒙牛蒙
Pa
白
akibu pe.
巴阿吉古
Nyo
白
mo pe kunjung.
牛蒙白君中
Oh. Nyomo means afflictive emotion,
affective
negative emotions, or disturbing emotions, you can say. You know the negative emotions.
oh negative okay
Yeah. This one. Negative emotion. Yeah. Bad emotion.
负面的情绪
In English, we are also saying disturbing
disturbing
emotion.
disturbing emotion
Okay.
okay
So another one is afflictive emotion.
afflictive emotion
Oh. What are the afflictive emotions? The cha, shaitan, timuk. Three poisonous. Attachment, anger, ignorance. These are the
ignorant
afflictive emotion.
okay
Negative emotion.
okay
Disturbing emotions. You explain how.
OK，涵涵，这个他那个负面的情绪，就是上个礼拜讲的那三个，就是恨啊、生气啊，就是上次讲那三毒。就是猪就是愚痴嘛，然后蛇就是生那个恨意，然后那个嗔恨，然后那个鸟就是那个情执，这三毒。
Okay. These three poisonous These three, yeah.
嗯
So this diagram shows the afflictive emotions. Nyomo bekunjung.
again 牛
Which one? Nyomo bekunjung.
牛蒙妈那个蒙啊蒙牛蒙北
Asa
就
mong.
蒙发啥牛蒙北
Nyu na nyun.
牛
Mana
牛
mong asa mong. Nyomo bekunjung.
牛蒙北观众牛
Yana
蒙北
nyu
观
na
众
nyun. Mana mong asa mong. Nyomo pangatiku pe. Nyomo pe.
牛蒙北观众牛蒙北观众牛蒙北观众
Okay, these three, attachment, anger, and hatred, and this one, ignorance.
ignorance
So these are the nyomo bekunjung, afflicted emotions.
selective
Understood?
understood 他告诉
Yeah, this diagram shows nyomo bekunjung.
牛蒙北 so 跟那牛蒙 means negative
Negative emotions.
牛蒙
Nyomo means negative emotion
negative okay negative
or afflictive emotion. If I speak a good English, afflictive emotion.
afflictive
Afflictive.
afflictive
Emotions.
afflictive
Emotions.
emotions afflictive emotions
That's
afflictive
good English.
afflictive emotion
Emotions.
afflictive emotion afflictive
Ah,
emotion
three poisonous are afflictive emotions. Yeah, nyomo bekunjung.
牛蒙北
Kunjung.
牛蒙
Okay,
北
now you understood what is nyomo bekunjung. These three are nyomo bekunjung. Okay, any kind of negative emotions are afflictive emotions.
afflictive
Afflictive emotions. Why we are saying afflictive? Because if you have very pure water, okay, do you see me? Yeah.
yeah your water
No, you can see me. Yeah.
yes
Okay. If you have a water, then you put the stick inside. You stir this. Then all this, dust and mud will come up. So similarly, when attachment, anger, hatred comes, it will stir your emotions, disturb your emotions. So that's why we are calling them afflictive emotions.
afflictive
So these three are the afflictive emotions. Once you develop any of them, attachment, anger, hatred, ignorance, when you develop any of this emotion, it will disturb your peace of mind.
yeah
So that's why we are saying negative emotions, afflictive emotions. So what is the meaning of afflictive emotion? Means any emotion that disturb your peace of mind. Tell her. You can explain her.
涵涵你理解吗？就是说，只要有三毒的情绪在啊，它就会产生负面的感觉、情绪。有三毒在，就会产生负面的情绪，然后你就不会有一个很平静的 mind，就是你不会有个 peaceful mind，所以它就会影响你的心绪，所以它叫做三毒，也叫做负面情绪。就好像你把水放到一个瓶子里面，然后把所有东西倒进去之后， 把它摇完之后，那个水就浑浊了。那我们的情绪就是像那个浑浊的水一样，它就不再平静。有没有翻译的很好？
Today you are enjoying your day, holiday, okay? Let's say you are enjoying your holiday. Okay. Then suddenly your angry comes.
Why comes? Why?
Yeah. Suddenly if somebody tells you very bad words, nasty words, then it becomes it makes you angry. Once the angry comes, then that when you are enjoying your peaceful day, it will be destroyed.
Disappear.
So angry, attachment, ignorance, when it comes to us, they will disturb your peace of mind. Your peace will go away. So tell her like that.
Okay.
Okay. So you can explain her like this. So if you these kind of emotions, these three emotions, we call them nyomombe kunjung or afflictive emotion in English.
幽默被观众，幽妈那了摸啊摸幽默被观众。
Okay.
Afflictive emotion.
Afflictive emotions. Why you have a problem to pronounce this word?
Pronunciation problem. I have a question.
Okay.
Han, she likes to the movie star.
Movie star.
The idol.
Okay.
Following the idol. It's not a kind of afflictive emotion.
If she likes,
because attachment of her idol is not kind of bad emotion. You know why?
So now if you look at like let's say I will give you example.
Okay.
Then you will
我在问
understand.
什么？
Okay, if I
你一直说我在看我
if I look at one boy, okay, do you hear me? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
If I see a girl, she has a good qualities. Okay, she has a beautiful face or whatever. She has a nice hair, a good looking. If she has a 50% qualities, okay, she has a good qualities.
Why
But
only 50? Why only 50%?
No. I'm just giving an example.
Okay.
Okay.
50分就是满分。
Let me finish first. Okay, then you would understand what I'm trying to tell you. Okay. When you develop attachment, then you will exaggerate. You would see 60%
Oh.
or 70%.
Oh.
Okay, if your attachment is very strong, then you would see
Whoa.
100%. Okay.
I got the point.
Okay. So 50% is the truth. If you see and like this quality, it's not attachment.
Oh, okay.
Because she already has that quality
Okay.
and you like her quality. So if you like somebody doesn't mean it is attachment. Okay. You can see that qualities, then you like that. But attachment means if you go beyond that, You
Oh.
exaggerate. You like so much, then your light becomes blind.
Oh.
Tell her, tell her.
Let me translate.
Oh,
你
yeah.
听懂吗？
应该听得懂，就是
就
会那
是呢，
个一直
他说
往上higher。
他说如果只有50的话，你喜欢没有问题，因为它的品质，它的 quality 是50。可是因为呢，你的喜欢一直让你盲目了，一直往上加，事实上你的眼睛就瞎了，你就眼瞎了，然后你就整个人都掉进去了。这个才叫 attachment， 才叫做情执。OK。
Okay. Similarly, one person has a 50%, 50 quality, 50 good qualities and 50 bad qualities also.
Have.
Okay. Then when you feel angry to that person, okay, if you see that 50 qualities and you don't like him, that is not angry. But that dislike becomes like a 40
and
Okay.
60.
Yeah, don't see any good qualities. Okay. You don't see any good
眼睛
qualities.
瞎了。
Then 30, 20, sometimes 0. No good qualities, Everything is 0. Then if your anger becomes stronger and stronger,
Yeah.
then your good quality will be decreased for that person.
这是我对
Understood?
是我对叶小姐，就是我把她的40%的好降到0。
我理解，但我有问题，还是
问
姐姐先。
你问。
我先那个需要你translate。
你问你。
如果知道他很多缺点，但还是那个喜欢看他咋办？
韩has a question.
Okay.
What if she know the idol has a lot of bad news, not good quality, but Han always follow up and always have attachment.
越来越弱。
So what can she do?
No, it doesn't matter what people says. I'm talking about the reality. If somebody has a 50% good qualities, but people are saying she is not good, she is not good. Okay. Everybody has a good qualities and bad qualities. We have a both. But it doesn't matter what people says. If you like him or her based on his own qualities, that is not attachment.
Okay. I think Han, the question is about I know he is not in good quality.
对。
Not in good quality.
Yeah.
But
You
cannot.
know both. Okay, you know both. He has a good qualities and he has a bad qualities also. But you like him because he has some good qualities.
Oh.
Based on that qualities, if you like him, it is not attachment. But
no.
when you exaggerate, he has a 50 qualities, but you exaggerate 60, 70 like this, Then up to 100,
Again, but how to deal with the attachment? How to deal with our attachment?
Because attachment blocks to see the reality. When you are attached, when you have attachment, then attachment will exaggerate the number. Okay. So if you try to investigate, does it reality what it appears to me? If you feel that no, it appears to me 70%. If you check, then you find out, oh, he has no 70% good qualities. He has only 50% good qualities. Then you would understand that your feeling was attachment.
哦，OK，可是你的意思是说，如果你知道这个人只有 50%，你还是喜欢他怎么办？你是这个意思吗？
可以进阶到这个意思。
It depends. It
好笑。
depends on your investigation.
哦，OK，
If you don't investigate, if you don't try to observe what you are thinking, what you have a feeling, your feeling is something else, but reality is something else.
呀，
Okay, it
Okay.
doesn't match.
我想讲嘛，
你想一想，你现在听得懂老师的意思吗？
就是分清楚是 attachment or real 这样吗？
其
So
实，
if you investigate, then you would know that, oh, my feeling doesn't match with the reality.
嗯嗯
Then you would know that your feeling is wrong.
your feeling is wrong.
Yeah. If you investigate and then you find out, oh, your feeling is right. Whatever I'm feeling, it matches with the reality. If you feel that, then that is not attachment.
所以
OK
他告诉我们，就是要面对现实的啦。就是你知道他有多少，你就去承认他多少的好，而不要自己。
Any
应该
question now?
那个还有没有问题？
Okay.
No 没有 No OK
Okay, now we have finished this one. Nyomo Bekunjung.
牛毛被观众，牛毛被观众
So what is the Nyomo Bekunjung means? Negative emotions.
，negative emotions，
Okay, afflictive emotions. What are the
Afflictive.
afflictive emotions? Attachment,
attachment, hate,
anger,
anger,
hatred,
the
ignorance. These are the
ignorance.
Nyomo Bekunjung or afflictive emotion.
afflictive emotion.
Okay, good.
Okay.
Okay, now I will discuss about this one. Legi Kunjung. Karma.
观众，雷吉观众，雷吉观众
Okay,
雷吉
shall I
观众
go? Shall I continue this one?
OK
OK
OK，雷吉观众，
Legi Kunjung.
雷吉观众
Now, Le has a white karma. Le Karpo.
雷嘎波，雷嘎波，
Au
雷
Kar
嘎波，
Panarpo. Le Karpo.
雷嘎波，雷嘎波。
Okay, white karma. White karma means good karma.
good
Positive
karma.
karma.
Positive karma， 好的业，
Okay, virtuous karma. Okay, virtuous karma means you
Virtuous.
help other people. You have a very good heart. You know,
哦
any kind of action that you serve people, you help people, that is the white karma.
哦，
Like
雷
practice
雷
of,
嘎巴，雷
practice of generosities.
雷
Okay.
嘎雷嘎波，
Yeah, le karpo.
雷嘎波
Yeah, karpo means white.
，white 嘎波，雷嘎波，哦雷嘎
Le
波，
karpo.
雷嘎波，
Asa le thaukar akar panaropo.
巴拿
Le
波，雷
karpo.
雷嘎波，
Okay, asa
雷
le
嘎
thaukar akar panaropo.
雷嘎
Le
波，
karpo.
雷嘎波，
So le karpo means, if I translate literally, it means white karma.
white karma，white karma，
If I translate the meaning, it means a positive karma, virtue karma.
嗯
Okay, virtuous karma, positive karma, or
Positive
good karma.
karma. Okay.
Okay.
Le
Now,
karpo.
le has a two aspects. First one is le karpo. Another one is le napo, black karma.
Le napo. Napo.
Napo means black.
Black.
Lasa le,
Nasa le.
naka nak,
Naga na. Panapo. Le kapo.
naka na,
Naga
panapo,
na. Panapo.
apo,
Le
le
kapo.
napo,
Le napo. Le
le
napo.
napo. Black,
Le napo.
black karma.
Black karma. Black karma.
So this is a literal translation. This is the literal translation. If I translate the meaning, it means a negative karma or non-virtuous karma or bad karma. Okay. Okay.
OK，
Good.
涵懂吗？
Yes.
Mm.
Okay.
涵 and me have
Okay.
le couple.
Oh. Now look at here. Now you can see this picture, yeah? We already finished this ring, center ring.
Center ring.
Now this one, le
The second
karpo.
Le couple.
Yeah,
Oh,
this ring shows the karma, le
Karma.
kikunju.
oh, le kunjung.
Okay, so
Oh,
half of this circle is the le karpo.
le couple.
That is the le napo,
Le napo. Le napo. Le
bad
napo.
karma.
Oh, le couple. Le
Yeah.
couple.
This center shows nyomo bekunju. This shows le gikunju.
Oh, le kunjung.
Le kunjung has a two.
kunjung. Le
Le
kunjung.
karpo, le napo.
Oh, le kunjung. Le couple.
Oh.
Le napo.
Okay.
Le kunjung. Le couple. Le napo.
Ah. So this center ring shows nyomo bekunju. Attachment,
Attachment, ignorance,
Shedang,
Shaitan,
anger and hatred, and timuk, ignorance. Okay.
ignorance.
So this whole circle shows the nyomo bekunju.
Nyomo be kunjong. Nyomo.
Okay, then
Nyomo
the
be
second ring, it shows legi
Leki
kunju.
kunjong. Leki
Legi
kunjong.
kunju has a two categories. So first one is a le karpo. So
Lekabro.
those who does a good karma, they will go up. You can see in the diagram. People who are doing a good karma, they will go up. And people who are doing a bad karma, they will go down.
Go down.
Explain her.
涵那个跟大家说呢，如果是好的业，你越来越好的话，你是白色的地方往上走。那如果你已经是在不好的业里面，你越做越糟糕，你就是往下掉。所以它是一个这样子，天道好轮回。对。
Good.
Okay.
Okay. So this second circle or second ring, it shows the leg kunjung. The first or center ring, it shows the nyomo bekunjung.
Nyomo bekunjung. Nyomo bekunjung. Nyomo bekunjung.
Nyomo bekunjung and leg kunjung.
Leki kunjung. Nyomo bekunjung. Leki kunjung.
Good.
Good.
Is it too much or
no.
shall we continue again?
Yes, it's okay. Okay. Haha, 你 OK 吗？
Yeah. Shall I go again? Dembashi.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Dunge demba.
Dungel
Dungel demba.
demba.
Kunjung demba.
君中點吧，
Gope Dempa,
我杯點吧，
Lam Ki Demba.
冧機點吧，冧機
So
點吧，
today we discuss about this Kunchung Demba.
君中點吧，君中
We
點吧，
finished this one. How the suffering comes from? Suffering comes from these two. These two. Nyomo Bekunchu and Legi Kunchu, it creates the suffering.
哦，
Kunchung Dempa makes the suffering. Leg Dunge Demba.
嗯
Understood?
嗯
So if you look at the cause of suffering, it has a two aspect. Legi Kunchu, karma, and Nyomo Bekunchu means negative emotions or afflictive emotions.
嗯
So these two are the origin of suffering or cause of suffering. And if you look at the Nyomo, there are three kinds. These three kinds. If you look at the Le Gikunju, it has two kinds. Le Karpo, Le Nakpo.
夾波你拿波，你夾波你拿波，
Okay. So today we discuss about this one. Kunjung Demba. We finished
君
this
中
one.
點吧，君中點吧，
Kunjung Demba has two aspects, two kinds. Okay. The first one is a karma. Second one is a afflictive emotion.
affect emotion，
Yeah. In Tibetan, we say Legi Kunchu
你見君中
and
呢？
Nomu Be
被
Kunchu.
君中，new more 被君
Okay.
中。
If you look at the Legi Kunchu, it also has two aspects. First one, Le Karpo.
你夾波
And
and
second one,
Le
Le
Napo,
Napo.
Le Napo.
So Le Karpo means white
White
karma.
karma.
Le Napo means black
Black
karma
karma.
in English. Okay. Now, Nyomong Bekunjung has three aspects. The first one is Decha, attachment.
attachment to cha.
The second one is Shedang.
写当
Shedang means anger
Anger.
and hatred.
黑体
Then last one is Timut,
地木
ignorance.
ignorance.
So we have finished this one today. Nyomo Bekunjung.
You know
Okay. So if you look at this one. Okay, look at this picture.
Sipa coral.
This center. Can you see the center?
Yeah.
The center ring shows Nyomo Bekunjung. Then second ring, this one shows Legi Kunjung. So this means these two rings, first ring and second ring shows Kunjung Denpa.
Again.
Kunjung Denpa.
Which 君中點吧，君中 OK 點吧，
This
君中點吧，君中點吧，君中點吧，君中點吧，真相君中點吧 OK。
Kunjung Denpa has two.
The star, the Legi, Legabro,
Yeah, Legi Kunjung, Nyomo
Legi
Bekunjung.
Kunjong, Legi Kunjong,
Nyomo Bekunjung.
Yomo Be Kunjong, and the
Okay.
Legi Kunjong.
Okay. Now, Le Kikunjung has a two aspect. The first one is
Legapo.
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 Apo.
And then
Second one is
Legnapo.
Lenapo.
Legnapo.
Okay, I will
New Mun Mana
make
Lomonga.
this like this.
New
Okay, then it will help you to understand.
New Kuncho.
Now I will talk about this one. Yomo,
New Mong Bei Kunjong. New Mong
Yomo the Kunjung has
Bei Kunjong.
cha.
对cha. 对cha.
Okay,
对cha.
down.
写当。对cha. 写当。对cha. 写当。
Remove.
地木。地木。地木。对cha. 写。对cha. 写当地木。对cha. 写当地木。
Okay,
对cha. 写当地
so
木。
today we discuss about this.
对cha. 写当地木。
Kunjung Dempa
kun中点吧
has two group. Okay, one group is the Lake Kunjung.
Reiki Kunjong.
Another group is a Nyomo Kunjung.
Bei Kunjong.
Good. Okay, now first group Lake Kunjung has another small group, two groups. One is the Lake Karpo.
Napo.
Another one is Le Napo.
Lake Napo. Lake Napo.
Okay. Then Nyomo Kunjung group has a three small groups. Cha,
对cha. 写当地木 对cha. 写当地木
means today we have finished all of them.
好难。
So that means in the Sipakolo, where is it? Sipakolo, we have finished this part. Oh, we have finished this center and this part. Kunjung Demba. Kunjung Demba has a two aspect, yeah. Lake Kunjung, Nyomo Kunjung. This ring shows Lake Kunjung. This center ring shows Nyomo Kunjung.
Bei Kunjong. Nyomo Bei Kunjong. Nyomo Bei Kunjong.
Oh, because of Kunjung Dempa, then we can experience the suffering here. Dungel Dempa.
Dempa. Yeah.
Okay. This one. This one. Because of Kunjung Dempa, then it will produce the Dungel Dempa.
Ba sa na
Dungel
nghe tu nghe điểm ba tu nghe
Dempa.
điểm ba tu nghe
Kunjung Dempa.
tu nghe điểm ba quân trung điểm ba tu nghe điểm ba quân trung điểm ba tu nghe điểm ba.
Okay.
Okay.
Good. Any question?
Good.
So next time we will discuss about this one.
Tu
Dungel Dempa.
điểm ba tu nghe
Today
điểm
we
ba
finish this. Okay.
tu nghe điểm ba tu nghe điểm ba.
This if I give you an example, this is like a parents, father and mother. This is like a children. Okay, today we discuss about who is the parent of this child. This one. So this parent, Le is a father. And Nyomo is
the mother.
mother. Yeah.
好复杂。
Le the Nyumu comes together, then it produces the Dungil Demba.
对面 OK let me translate 涵涵你知道老师的意思吗？
不知道，这好复杂，太难
他
了。
说啊，就是那个我们痛苦的来源，刚刚不是讲有2个吗？
嗯
一个就是三毒嘛，一个就是三毒，然后另外一个是什么？我一下想不起来。另外一个就是一个是那个勒，
白送的吗？
一个是业，一个是业，一个是三毒。然后他说业
嗯
跟三毒呢，就像是父母亲，一个是爸爸，一个是妈妈，然后2个只要在一起了之后呢，就会产生 suffering， 就会产生痛苦。
哦，
对
3
It is just an example, okay? It's not,
OK
it's not a correct.
OK
I just want you to understand the concept. That's why I'm just trying to give you example.
yeah. So the truth of suffering is a spoiled child, spoiled kids.
Okay. Okay, now we finish Kunjung Demba today. Okay.
OK，
This one is a Nyomu the Kunjung. And this one is a Leg Kunjung.
给公众。
So Leg Kunjung has 2 aspects, means 2 types. The first one is Le Karpo, second one is Le Napo.
I have a question,
Okay.
but I'm afraid that I cannot explain very clear.
You try, you try.
Can we see the page? This the other page,
Previous one.
previous one.
Okay, which one? This one?
Yeah. My question is why the true the gamma
Hmm.
and the affective emotion,
Affective emotions.
affective emotions, why they are the beginning of suffering? Why?
If like our no, all kind of suffering comes from our body,
Mm-hmm.
mind, and our speech.
Mm.
Okay. Our suffering comes from our behavior, mental behavior, verbal behavior, and the physical behavior. Our body, mind, and speech, it makes suffering. Not all of them. Our bad mind, our bad speech, our bad physical behavior, body behavior, it makes the suffering.
So our
Now, our physical behavior and verbal behavior becomes karma. And our mind behavior, bad mental, it is called afflictive emotion.
okay, I see.
什么意思？
Okay, if I'm very angry, okay, if I'm angry, then I will kill the people. So when you go with the knife, okay, knife, you stab the knife, people, that is a physical, action.
Mm-hmm.
But that physical action comes from your angry, your anger. Your anger will push you to stab. You never stab the people, you never stab the knife to the people if you are very happy,
But why oral? Why oral is karma?
Also, bad words, it hurts the people.
But bad words.
Sometimes, yeah, these nasty words are very very bad than the knife, you know.
It comes from our mind. The words
Yeah,
comes from our
yeah.
mind.
If you want to say good word, then your mouth will say a very nice word, you know. In
Okay.
your mind, if you are angry, then you will say very nasty words. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, if your mind is peace, no angry, no attachment, then you will say nice words to the people.
Okay.
When you are angry, then you will say, "Oh my God, where you come, get out," something like that, you know.
So,
Very
Gela,
nasty.
Gela, can I understand this way? Our body, the oral, equals to the how to say, karma equals to action, active
Action. Yeah.
action,
Karma means the physical action
physical
and verbal
action.
action.
Okay, okay. I got it. I got it.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
But the Tibetan term karma means any kind of action that is influenced by your intention.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
With if there is no intention,
No
and if you
action.
do something, that kind of action doesn't become a karma.
Okay, okay.
So any action that is produced or influenced by your mind,
Right. Okay.
intention, that kind of action is called karma.
Karma. Okay. Gonna let me translate.
照常。
这个好长哈，没有，就是我刚刚问 Gena，就是说为什么业跟那个负面的情绪，它会是 suffering 的来源，为什么是这两个？然后 Gena 是解释是身口意，那身跟口呢是 gamma，为什么？因为身口它有行为，你的行为的背后如果有企图的话，它就会造成业力。然后可是意的话呢，它就是 emotion。好，它就是那个情绪。那我刚问他说，因为他一开始解释说身跟口是属于业，我就问他说，那为什么口也是业呢？因为我们说出来的东西也是脑子想的啊。然后给他的解释就是说，你要产生行为的，比如说我身体做出拿刀子砍人是产生行为，对，那我嘴巴骂人也是做出行为，那这个就属于业的部分。然后脑子想的东西呢，属于 emotion 的部分。OK，
OK。
finish。A long story.
So everybody wants, okay, in our daily life, what we want is, okay, not this one. What we want is happy, right? In our daily life, we want happiness.
Or happiness.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
We want happy, yeah.
Happy.
Starbucks,
We
happy.
don't want suffering.
Suffering. Yeah.
We don't want suffering. We don't want dungel.
Oh,读念，读念，
Yeah.
读念，
We want happiness. Not only the human being, even the animal also wants happiness.
Yeah,
They don't want suffering.
yeah.
So Buddha said, your suffering or your happiness depends on your body, speech, and
Mind,
mental action.
mental action, and mental action.
Oh.
In English, we say physical behavior.
Physical behavior. Physical
Okay.
behavior.
Then verbal behavior.
Behavior. Verbal behavior.
Okay, then mind
Mind,
is mental. Yeah,
action,
mental action or intention.
attention. In ION.
Okay, now if you look at these three, okay, 1, 2, 3. These three has a two aspect. Okay, one is a bad behavior,
And the
another
good.
one is a good behavior, right? Similarly, verbal also has a bad verbal behavior and a good verbal behavior. Same, yeah? And if you look at intention also, bad intention and good intention. So Buddha said, Buddha always explained our suffering comes from the bad. Bad physical behavior and verbal behavior and the mental behavior also. And we want happiness. Okay, I
We
will
need to have
make
good
it.
physical behavior.
Good physical behavior, good verbal behavior,
And the good
and
intention.
good
Good
mental
mental
behavior,
action.
intention. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now, if you look at these three, body, speech, and mind. Okay. Body, oh, no. Okay. Body, these two. Okay.
Mm.
Underline. Underline.
These two both. These two, body and speech,
Speech.
actually it is like a slave. Mind is like a king.
哦，那
Okay.
个前面两个是奴隶，然后那个 mind 是国王，对。
Mind or mental behavior is like a king. Okay, whatever your mind says, your body will do that. Your speech will say that.
Okay.
So Buddha is saying, if you do not want suffering, then you have to transform your mind from bad,
Good.
from bad intention to the good intention. Positive mind, negative mind to positive mind. So in our daily life, we have a lot of many, okay, negative minds. We have a very few positive minds. So Buddha is saying you have to transform, all the, negative mind to the positive mind. You have to transform that. You have to change your mind. Change negative mind to positive mind. Then you will see the happiness.
Happiness.
Yeah. If you change your mind, then your speech and body will also change itself automatically.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you change all of them, body, speech, and mind, from positive to negative to positive, okay, then you will see the happiness in your life. Very simple.
Simple.
Oh, I have a question.
You have a question. Oh, okay. 你要
How to
translate.
change 就
好
negative positive.
How to change our back behavior?
That's
How
why
to change our
I told you there are three types of behavior: body behavior, physical behavior, verbal behavior, and then mental behavior. Okay, which one you are talking about?
还你在讲你是哪一个不好？
叫什么那个 买的
哪一个？mind 哦，mind
买的
mind
Oh,
哦，
想
it
太
is
多。
very easy.
啊
If you want to, if you like, I will give you another example. Okay, mind. Now, bad mind. Tell her anger. And good mind is compassion. Okay,
compassion
now,
compassion 是
yeah,
慈悲，慈悲。
bad mind.
嗯
Wow. Good mind. Green signal. Okay, so these two, anger and compassion, cannot go together.
嗯 go together。
Did you get my point? Anger and compassion cannot go together.
嗯
I got anger with compassion.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
got angry with compassion.
Yeah. Yeah. So if you have more anger, you have a very less compassion.
Okay.
If you have a very more compassion, means you have a zero anger.
Oh.
So if you anger and compassion cannot go together. So if you want to change this anger, then you have to, strengthen. Strengthen means you have to make more powerful your compassion. Then your anger will go down.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
That is,
Translate,
that
translate.
is the that is the process of
Translate.
changing your mind.
OK，跟他 let me translate。
哦
跟他说，如果容易生气的话，唯一的方法就是慈悲心要升起来。你慈悲心越多的话呢，你的生气就越少。可是你觉得你的bad mind 是 anger 还是其他的？
很多吧，
很多，
嫉妒什么的。
嫉妒都有。OK，
对啊，
so
太多
so
了。
跟what if the other bad mind is not anger？
What?
The bad mind is not anger.
Okay.
It's
What?
something else. The solution is all compassion.
No, 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 no.
No, it's different.
No, no. Each
Okay.
each bad mind has its own opposite.
Oh, okay.
Like
Okay.
anger, compassion is opposite of anger.
Okay. So how about attachment?
Yeah, same. Yeah, attachment. Okay. Then you have to practice the impermanence.
Impermanent. Wrong spelling.
Sense of, oh, sorry. This one.
是什么？
PER，我查一下哈
我
，IMPER
看一下。
MANCE。
Or you can practice
无常。
哦，
permanence, or you can meditate on suffering also.
Impermanences.
And
Oh.
suffering, if you meditate on suffering, it will help you to reduce the attachment.
Okay. And
Understand?
the ignorance.
Now, if you look at there are different types of attachment. If you have attachment towards a boy or girl, then you can meditate.
Idol.
You know what?
No. Meditate in.
Impurity of body.
不净观。
哦，
Which one? I don't know.
You don't know. In you.
Impurity.
Purity 杂质。
关脏脏的东西。
对对，就是身体里面的杂质，不净观。
Our body is very impure, ugly,
It's dirty, ugly
dirty. Yeah.
不净观，不净观，就是慈悲观、不净观
So
跟那
if
个无
you
常想。
if you meditate all this, if you strengthen that kind of meditation, that kind of feelings, sense, then attachment will go down.
Go down, OK
哦
OK
OK，
Good.
good。
Any other question?
还有问题吗？我
没有吧
们问的很开心。
没有。
没有 ，no， 明明没有。
Then no question.
Maybe we can have a meditation class some other times. Meditation, yeah, it's very good.
We can do
We
that.
can, yeah.
Okay. Any other question?
还有问题吗？
No question。
Oh, okay. So shall we stop now?
It's okay.